Hi, this is Antonio with IDX Broker, and today we're going to be looking at one of our API methods, the list method. The list method is a simple method for listing all available methods in the current API component. Whether it's a partner level, MLS level, or client level, this method will return a list letting you know whether we have a get, put, post, or delete for the method each method. The output's just the basic information, like I said, the name, the list of actions, Boolean denoting whether or not the action is available in the method status, the method, whether or not the method is in development, whether it's active and you can currently use it, or whether or not it's been removed, deprecated. The return will show you all of this for each method, and like I said, a short description of the method. The method's available all across all the API components. For example, partners, clients, MLS, and leads. This method is available for all of them. You simply change out this portion of the URL string for the component you want. Here's an example of the method being run and the return. I've run this method for the client level, and you can see here we have whether or not there's a get, a post for the list components method. There is no delete. And this is pretty useful to keep up on the new methods as they're coming out, or as methods leave availability of the API and are no longer available. And let's put all this here from our return into a nice organized table. Alright, so now I have all the methods that were returned in that previous call here into a nice little table I've made. You can see here the method name. I've listed the status. Some of these are in development, others are deprecated, and the description. So to demonstrate keeping up on these methods in this programmatic way, I'm going to go ahead and remove, let's take the last one, wrapper cache, the ability to clear the client wrapper cache via API call. Let's just remove it from our table. So now you can see I have an empty line here where that used to be, and my table was ready to add more. I'm going to run this check for new methods again. And if there's a new method, we're going to add it back to the table, so that method should return here. And I've also set it up that if a new method is added to this table, let's go ahead and add it to my Twitter and automatically tweet it out, so that way I'm notified, since I like to use Twitter a lot. So let's run this now. Alright. Looks like we have the wrapper cache added back in. And if you see this iframe here of my actual current live Twitter, it has tweeted the method and the summary for me. So next time I check Twitter, I will know that a new method has been added to the IDX Broker API. Just a fun example I set up for myself. You can keep up on methods, API methods, however you see fit, and run it as often as you'd like. I don't recommend running it every day. New methods don't come out that often. So, hope this has been useful, and I look forward to more API methods coming out for everyone to use. Thanks for watching.